Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix audio crackling and popping sound issues in Windows 11. First, disable audio enhancements. Press Windows plus R, type mmsys.cpl, and press Enter. In the Sound window, open the Playback tab, right-click your active audio device, and select Properties. Go to the Enhancements tab and enable Disable All Enhancements. If you are using the Windows 11 Settings app, turn off audio enhancements there instead. Click Apply and OK. Then test your audio. If the crackling sound is still there, open the same Device Properties window again and go to the Advanced tab. Find the default format drop-down menu. Change it to 16-bit, 4410 Hz CD quality and click Test. If the issue remains, try 16-bit 4800 Hz DVD quality and test again. Different audio devices work better with different sample rates, so this can often solve the problem. If that does not help, update or reinstall the audio driver. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device, usually Realtek Audio or High-Definition Audio device, and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose High-Definition Audio device from the list and click Next. This installs the generic Microsoft Audio driver, which can fix problems caused by corrupted or incompatible drivers. Restart your PC after the installation is complete. Thanks for watching.